Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at the Budan Athena. We have the machine set up here, so let's first take a look at what comes inside the box, and then I'll show you how you can make a beverage of your choice using this machine at home. Inside the box, you find the machine itself, a 58mm bottomless portafilter, a 58mm spouted portafilter, 2 double shot baskets, 1 single shot basket, a blind basket for cleaning, a tamper, and a cleaning brush. Talking about the initial setup, place the machine on a flat surface near power. Remove and rinse the water tank first. Once you're done with that, fill it up with fresh drinking water. Once that's done, turn on the machine. Before brewing your first coffee, run a cycle with plain water, no coffee, just to clean the internal system. And this also allows the machine to fully heat up. Let's quickly take a look at the key features of the Budan Athena. This machine uses a 58mm commercial brewing system with PID temperature control, which helps in maintaining stable temperature and delivers rich cafe-style espresso. You can adjust both extraction temperature and pre-infusion time, giving you full control over flavor and shot balance. The digital display and pressure gauge show real-time shot time, temperature and pressure, making it easier to dial in your coffee. Thanks to the dual Italian Ulca pump, you can brew espresso and steam milk at the same time, with no waiting in between. And finally, the professional 3-hole steam wand that produces powerful dry steam for smooth microfoam and latte art. Coming to espresso, choose your preferred basket and portafilter. Grind your coffee fresh into the portafilter. Evenly distribute the coffee and then gently tamp it and level the coffee bed. Once that is done, flush the group head and lock in the portafilter. Take any cup of your choice, place it below. The machine has a single, double and steam button. I'll be making a single shot. Coming to milk steaming, the dual pump system allows you to brew espresso and steam milk at the same time, with no waiting in between. Take a milk pitcher, add fresh cold milk to it, purge the steam wand, and place the tip of the steam wand just below the surface of the milk. Wipe and purge the steam wand immediately after use. The powerful stainless steel steam wand produces dry, consistent steam for silky microfoam. Take your silky textured milk and pour it on your espresso for your lattes and cappuccino. And just within a few minutes, you'll have a creamy cafe-like coffee ready at home. Coming to cleaning and maintenance. After each use, remove and rinse the portafilter. Wipe the steam wand immediately after steaming and purge it. Empty and clean the drip tray and water tank regularly. Clean the exterior of the machine using a damp cloth. For deeper cleaning, backflush periodically using the blind filter and cleaning tablets. The Budan Athena is designed for home brewers who want full creative control and professional level performance. With a commercial 58mm brewing system, adjustable pre-infusion, and the ability to brew and steam at the same time, it delivers cafe-style espresso without any compromise. It's a machine that grows with your skill, rewards experimentation, and turns every coffee moment into a hands-on premium experience.